Hello, ninth grade. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, or good night, whatever time it is where you are. It's the right time for ELA.
I love that. Good morning, ninth grade. Hopefully it's the morning-ish time, but whatever time is fine. The time is the time. There's no more time to talk about the time. So, all right. We are on, can you believe it, week number 7 of remote learning.
Way to go, everybody, for sticking with it.
Yeah, we're very proud of you guys.
Only have a few more weeks of this left.
Okay. So we are focusing today on analyzing persona, and our focus objective number 16 reads, I can analyze the persona of a spoken word poem. If you are not with us for the live session and you're just joining us on your own time now, please take a mindful minute at some point of your day, whether it's in this very moment or whether it's after, but it's very important that you take a step back, you breathe, ground yourself, center yourself, and then start the work when you're in the best space that you can start the work in.
So, what is spoken word poetry? It's poetry that's written on the page, but it's intended to be performed for an audience. Because it's performed, because it's meant to be performed, it demonstrates heavy use of rhythm, improvisation, rhymes, poetic phrases and devices, wordplay, and slang. And because of all of that, especially the wordplay and slang, it's more in your face than traditional poetry forms, which are more laid back. And like we said last week, traditional poetry sort of asks you to have this experience, and there's not necessarily a message to it. But this is more in your face than that. So when you're reading or watching spoken word poetry be performed, keep an eye out for repetition. It's a powerful poetic device, and you can repeat one word over and over again. You can repeat a phrase. You can repeat one idea or an image in different ways over and over again. And the attitude is really what makes the difference between regular poetry read out loud and spoken word poetry. And we're going to show you an example of that very shortly.
Today, in addition to looking out for that repetition and that attitude, you're going to pay close attention to persona and performance. So last week, and actually Friday, Saturday, Sunday, you all worked on creating your persona poem. So this should be information that you're not seeing for the first time. If it is, go back and watch the video before this one. And so with persona, remember that's the personality or the part of your personality that you are allowing the audience to see. You can assume the persona of anyone depending on what you're writing or what you're performing. And then performance, you want to pay attention because we're watching this, right? What's the eye contact of the speaker or the speakers? What is the volume of their voice? Are they speaking really loud or are they speaking really soft? How are they enunciating the words? What are their facial expressions? Are they making any gestures with their hands or their overall body language in general?
We are going to play you this video. Well, no, we are not going to play you this video. You are going to go into the slides. The title's right there, Monday, 5-4. Go into the slides, go to slide number 5, watch the video 2 times. First time, just watch the video. You don't have to take notes or nothing. Just watch. See what it's like. Then, once you've watched it once and you know what's coming, you know what happens, you know what to expect, watch it a second time and answer these 2 questions. What is the persona of these poets? So I'm going to tell you right now, there's 3 high school young ladies, but who are they performing as? I know who they are. What is their, based on the tone and what they're saying, what persona are they adapting? What side of themselves are they showing you in this poem. And then focus on the performance and really everything that you see and hear. What is the posture? How do they hold themselves? What are they doing with their face, with their eyes, with their volume of their voice? Write as much as you can for answer number 2.
Be really, really specific with that one, guys and girls, ladies and gents. That space for you to record your answers to these 2 questions are in the Monday 5-4 worksheet, which is in the Google Classroom. It's the same 2 questions that are on the slide. The only difference is this is a typable document where you can write your responses and submit them to us when you're done. And again, if you're in the live session with us, this work will be done as a class. So it's really to your benefit to try to come to the live sessions so that you can be a part of the discussion and you can be a part of the work. I'm happy if you're tuning in, and I'm happy if you're attempting this on your own. But if you're by yourself today and you didn't get a chance to come to the live session, try to do that tomorrow.
Great. So if you didn't come, that's why you're watching this video. But if you're watching this video, you should know that all of this would be easier if you came to the live session at 9:45 or to my live session at 1:30.
Live session with Mr. Allen.
Yep.
All right, guys, that's all we have for you. Let us know if you need any help or if you have any questions.